Whee! This is not somewhere I want to get cocky. So there is a tree down up here, and the first time I came down here I was like, oh no, so I'm going a grand total of 15 miles an hour, which is absolutely fast enough for me, thank you very much. I do not want to be going any faster than that. Okay, here's the tree. So, there's an extra branch down as well now. Fudge. Okay, that's going to be fun. Alright, let's go. Leggies deployed, leggies are deployed, leggies deployed. Oh no. Good boy. That was not very well done. Oh, yeah, so far I've done everything worse the second time than I did the first. But hey, I need some proper boots for this, I think. I feel like these ones are a little street. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm doing this. Like, if you'd asked me like 2 years ago when I first swung a leg over a bike 125 in a car park in Basingstoke, if you'd asked me then what I thought I'd be doing, let's stand up for that, shall we? You can absorb all that for me, thank you very much. Hear me? Happy to hear me? I might put it over here for a second. Okay, 12 minutes of recording. Good. Well, today's waffling with Woodsy on Wednesdays is happening in the woods. Actually, I might change my music. Oh, let's not fall over. Why have I got 2 missed calls? Bugger off. Right. Before that parent and child combo comes back and wonders what the f*** I'm doing. Right. First gear. Horse pull. Oh, there's a doggy. Oh, there's a dog. Thank you. Oh, let's not skid around on that.